Gruesome, meaning extremely unpleasant or causing horror. Synonyms: horrifying, ghastly, dreadful, macabre. Example: the police discovered a gruesome scene at the crime site. Bouts, meaning short periods of intense activity or illness. Synonyms: spells, attacks, episodes, sessions. Example: he suffered from bouts of fever throughout the winter. Coup, meaning a sudden and successful seizure of power from a government. Synonyms: overthrow, revolution, rebellion, takeover. Example: the military staged a coup and took control of the country overnight. Typhoon, meaning a violent tropical storm in the Indian or Pacific Ocean. Synonyms: hurricane, cyclone, storm, whirlwind. Example: the typhoon destroyed hundreds of houses along the coast. Insurgents, meaning people who fight against their government or authority. Synonyms: rebels, revolutionaries, militants, guerrillas. Example: the army clashed with insurgents in the northern region. Guns a-blazing, meaning acting with full energy, aggression, or enthusiasm. Synonyms: aggressively, energetically, fiercely, passionately. Example: the soldiers went in guns a-blazing to capture the hideout. Thugs, meaning violent criminals or troublemakers. Synonyms: gangsters, hoodlums, criminals, hooligans. Example: a group of thugs attacked the shopkeeper late at night. Avert, meaning to prevent something bad from happening. Synonyms: prevent, avoid, stop, hinder. Example: quick action by the pilot averted a major disaster. Wrought, meaning caused or brought about, usually something bad or severe. Synonyms: caused, created, produced, shaped. Example: the earthquake wrought massive destruction across the city. Havoc, meaning great destruction or confusion. Synonyms: chaos, destruction, devastation, ruin. Example: the flood caused havoc in the rural areas. Embroiled, meaning involved deeply in conflict or difficult situation. Synonyms: entangled, involved, trapped, engaged. Example: the politician got embroiled in a corruption scandal. Penitentiary, meaning a prison for people convicted of serious crimes. Synonyms: prison, jail, correctional facility, lockup. Example: the murderer was sentenced to life in a penitentiary. Influx, meaning a large arrival or flow of people, things, or money. Synonyms: arrival, flood, inflow, surge. Example: the city saw an influx of tourists during the festival.